Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to open WhatsApp in PC without using QR code. So let's get into the video. For that, of course, you have to go to your Chrome browser or whatever browser you are currently using. Then search for WhatsApp web and it will take you to this page, and here you can see there are several options to link it with your phone. They're saying that you have to just open up your phone, then tap the menu, three-dot menu and Android, and then tap link devices and link a device. If you want to capture the QR code, then you just have to use this one, and you can also link your phone with your WhatsApp web by using your phone number. For that, you just have to click on link with phone number. Then they will allow you to give your phone number, and they will send you a OTP code or verification code that you have rewrite in this website, and then they will allow you to use your WhatsApp web. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.